I and J. Okay. I and J full stop plus C I. Okay. Again. Plus J. Okay. Plus I plus J like that. You are concatenating. Okay. Okay. Okay, where are we getting that error? Okay. Okay, so that you have space there. Great. So we've created the two properties, I and J, then one method to show I and J, then a statement system to print I and J. Then we come into B. We come into B. Okay, we come into B here. Okay, so B here we are saying we're creating a variable there called K. We're creating a variable called K. We're saying int K. Okay, then we create a method called show void show K. Close, then begin and end. That's the first method. Sys out. Okay. Sys out what are we putting in there? K. We're getting the value of K. The value of K is okay. Just put plus then K. Okay. Then we come here, create another method, void. Okay, what's the name of the method? Sum. Okay, this is sum. Begin and end. No, this is a method. No parameters. Then you say sys out. Sys out. Okay. Sys out for that. What you're getting I plus J plus K. For 2, we're saying I plus J plus K. Okay. Want to get that value, which is equal to, get the values of we say I plus J plus K. That's I plus J plus K. Okay. Okay. Where is it flagging an error? Okay, this is. Let me just check. Where is it flagging as an error? Plus J plus K. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. You see why we're getting an error, right? Here. You've seen why we're getting an error. What comes into your mind, Mr. Wope? Why are we getting an
The capital K.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. We've noticed that. Okay, Java is case sensitive. Okay, then with that done, now you have to create a simple class now that implement the inheritance. So class simple inheritance. So we come here, say class simple inheritance. Okay, begin and end. Like that. Okay, now here that's where we are now creating object. We're creating the first object is that of the first class, super object is equal to new a, and then we close. So we've created the object of a type of class A, okay, which is called the super object here. Okay, then we go ahead to create another object of the of class B, of a subclass B, so which we are going to call sub object is equal to new B. Okay, new B. Okay, so that's the sub. We've created two objects, one for the superclass and another one for the subclass. Okay, so I move further. Now we start initializing the values. For super, we are giving them 10 and 20. So we just say super ob dot super ob okay, this should come. This should be able to give us super ob object dot. This, why is it not giving us the is this let me, is this Java embedded sub ob dot noodle. So if we say I'm trying to call this object. I'm trying to call that object. Why is it not picking? Supposed to pick let me see. A. Okay, that one extends. If I pick B. Okay, B. Okay. New object. I is initialized to 10. Okay, now why is I not being picked? Syntax error token variable declare. Do we have I? Yes. Why is I is not being picked? Why? Why? Why sub super ob ob object dot why is okay, why is our sub supposed to call the method? We're supposed to call this value here.
I don't know, sir, but is it possible that maybe you should have put it inside the public static void?
Which one?
The public static void inside the class, the super inheritance class, maybe according to the example you showed from the paper, it shows that
let me see.
Where you have I can't see from the example.
Oh yeah. I get you. I get your point. I get your point. Thank you. Thank you. This is supposed to be in the main. So what we are doing was more like creating a separate class without any inheritance, trying to, okay, so just put it like that. Then here, if I say dot, okay, you see now, thank you for that. I'm glad you are following.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Thank you. So this is initialized to 10. Okay, why is this giving us an error again? Remove sub object. Okay, we haven't used this sub object. So say again, super object dot j. So this initialized to 20. Okay. Then we go further to look at SOAP. Okay, SOAP. SOAP sys out. Okay, so I think the content of a super object content of the super object content of a super object is okay, so we say here, then you say super object, then we call the method that is in the super object. Okay, what's the method? Show. Okay, so that's the method show I and j. That's the method we are calling. Okay, that's the method we are calling. Then we move on to look at the aspect of the sub object. Okay, sub object object dot I. You can see this one. What value are we giving it? We said 7. We're giving it the value of 7. Then sub object dot j. What value are we giving this one? This one is being given the value of 8. And again, sub object dot k. Okay, this one is given the value of 9. Okay, now I want to call now the methods. The methods in the sub using the sub object. Okay, so sub object dot show. Okay, you could see that you're able to see these two methods, show I and j. Then sub object dot show. We're seeing the show k again. It's another method. Now, this is where the tricky part comes in. You could see now that this one is found in it's a method that is in the superclass. It's that method. But we are able to call it using the sub object because of the inheritance aspect. Okay, so because of the inheritance aspect, you are able to call this shoke. So just sys out. Okay, then you go in further. You say sum of I, j, and k in sub object. Sys out the sum of I, j, and k in sub object is okay plus sum. Okay, we're getting it wrong. Okay, is so I just calling the sum object there. So just say sum sub object dot sum. Okay, we call that the method. Voila, here we go. But now why are we getting this error there? No enclosing instance of type A is accessible. Must qualify the allocation with enclosing instance of type A, e.g. dot new where x is the instance of. No, this should be. If I close this, this will give us an error. Sub object B. New is a method. Okay. Oh, damn. Showing us something else. So just run. Preference. This project properties, apply default, and apply and close. I'm trying to get this. For Java path. Looking at the editor, Java build path. Okay, apply. Okay, we have two issues here. I'm trying to change the default run from the preference general. Okay. Oh. You done run. Debug configuration. Okay. Wait of a second. Which one I will? Okay. Okay, we just follow. Let me just close this. Okay, so we are here. Our class is A. So we build configuration. Build working set. run coverage. Any ideas? This thing is not. It's by default it's supposed to appear. Let me just check on the Java perspective, configure perspective, Java application, launch. No, viewed on background coverage. Why is this thing? The typing. Okay. So okay. Project. Okay. Okay, so we pick this. Apply. The default. Okay. If you can, were you able to follow along? Were you able
I've
to
been
follow?
trying to follow. Been trying to follow along. I was just hoping to see how you resolve for the object B for that error.
Yeah, because this one, object B extends A. Okay, that's what we are saying here. Class B extends A. Now, why is it plugging an error? So let me see. Because, oh yeah, damn it. So supposed to be. Let me see. Super class. So say this one extend A to again give us an error. Because this is what we have here. Say let's B extend A. Yeah, initially it's supposed to work. Are you also facing the same issue? Because it could be with the issue with the compiler. This is okay.
I did not open Eclipse. I was just following through
Oh,
with
okay.
yours.
Okay, let me just try something different. If I said, okay, let's say I open another class, I create another class, say class C. This class extends class C. This class extends A. Okay. And then I come here, try to create this, a class C sub ob is equal to new C. Okay. So now this is showing that there's an issue. So say, what's this? Rename sub to this. So if I say as to, I think this is a problem with the, oh yeah, let me see. Okay, just so that. Okay. What was wrong? But what was wrong? It has picked.
No idea. Maybe it was just the
Oh,
compiler on the
damn
program.
it. Damn it. Now you can see here.
What I've observed, sir, is
Uh-huh.
that on A you had put those to my brackets, then on B it was like
Oh yeah, that's where we didn't put.
putting them there.
Yes, we
It
didn't
has
put
picked up.
as an object. Yes. Okay. Uh-huh. So now this one again. So this was dot I. Okay, now we're trying now to call these variables. So when you say object dot I, this is what was initialized to 7. And this is okay, and this is like that. Okay, okay, that's fine. Where were these ones coming from? Mr. Aoop, this is what was
I have
flagging
no
an
idea.
error. This is what was flagging an error. So if I close this, the errors have gone, but there's something wrong somewhere. You could see here, our code is still showing, but what's the problem here in the right corner there?
I think the error on sub B has come back.
It has come back, huh? Okay, here again. Yeah, that's what is. Mhm. So let me see. Class B extends A. Class B extends A. Okay, it's anything from there. So alternatively, if we say this is B. I think this should be okay. Can you try this on your machine if you have your machine open? I suspect this is to do with my compiler, but it should be able to work. I don't know. Is there anyone else following along?
We are following along, so
Okay, so are you able to run Just this, don't modify anything. Try it on your compiler and see. Just this, don't modify anything. You just try it on your compiler and see what happens.
So I try the whole code. I write it in.
Yeah, just the way it is. Okay, so if I just comment out this, so I'll just remove this, as this is not part of our code, and then do that.
So I've just managed to open it.
Okay.
I couldn't find it, so I want to have. If I can just see from the beginning, so I can just type it.
Okay, I start from the top.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible now? Can I go down?
Not yet, sir.
Okay,
I'm
here.
still on. Yes. And what I'm typing, sir, is there, should this subclass always be inside the superclass?
The subclass, yes. We want us to put to add like this another. Then to it's fucking and yeah, it has to be. It's part of. You can see here again, when I remove that, it's gone. I save, no error again. That's why I'm suspecting my compiler. You can see?
Yes, sir.
I'm suspecting my compiler.
At the speed that I'm typing, maybe we should just try it later on our
Is it supersonic or
Yeah,
what?
it's too slow.
It's too slow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm just trying to build. Wait. Yeah, the error has gone here. Okay, the error has gone. So I'm just trying to build it and run, build the project. Navigate open source. Okay, you can see it has worked. Are you able to see the result?
Yes, I can
Yeah.
see them.
So I think it was just my yeah my compiler that was misbehaving. You could see even in the package explorer here, that error has gone. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now let me try and add another class so that we just for the sake of testing. Let me add another class called class B, class C, which would extend class B. So say class B, sorry, class C extends C. Okay. Oh, sorry, it extends B. Are you saying we shouldn't
Yes,
extend
sir.
C? It extends B. Okay, so just
Shouldn't it be?
pardon?
I was saying, shouldn't it be inside the B class? It can be outside B, but inside A. If we're extending B, shouldn't it be also
No.
in the B class?
Just like even like this is fine. Oh, you mean we remove
All right.
one? We remove this? No, the closing bracket we can't, because you can see we've opened that and we've opened this. We've opened that. So three have been opened. So this also already shows us that we are going to another class. So let's uh, just give it a try and see. Okay. So it's working. So it means this is part and parcel of the us. No. I meant to create a statement. Sys out. Okay, just say method void show m, begin and end. Then we say m is equal to initialize the value of m, say int m. Then say sys out. I am m from C. I am m from C. Okay, so why was I creating this? Okay, no. Okay, enough. Okay, this will go. Then we come here, we create another object called C is equal to, we just say sub object is equal to new C. Okay, we've created that object. Bam. We have an error. Rename, what do we rename? No. You see why I'm saying my compiler really has an issue.
Yeah, I changed everything to ones again.
Let me just say sub. Okay, I just put like that, sub op. Okay, that's fine. Then what I'll do is I'll just call that method. I'll just call this. I'll just get this. Okay. I want you to see something here. I'll get sub. I'll call that method and then I call a method in B. Sure. Okay. So I'm calling this, you could see I'm able to see all these methods that are in B. This shows that even this class C, it has inherited the features from both B as well as A. Okay, so you could see I've managed to call this method in here. Okay, so if I run that again, you can see those are the results. So what you are saying, with inheritance, you can create as multiple subclasses as possible. Is there any question or any contribution? Any contribution?
Not for me. And you said if it's one class being inherited, it's single inheritance, and for this one, what do you call it? It's more than one class.
Which one more? We have also what we call multiple inheritance. Okay, we have derived the class as well as the single inheritance as well as the multiple inheritance. Okay, but for now, we end here. Next time we meet, we look at the benefits of inheritance. We shall look at the benefits of inheritance.
Sorry, sir. Try to scroll upwards.
On the
from
code?
line 19.
Pardon?
Yes, sir.
On the
Yes,
code?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I tried to scroll upward. That's
Yes, sir.
the top. Or downward, you mean downward?
Yes, starting from line 19.
Okay. Yes, we are. We are here on line 19. This is just another class this is just another class that we created.
Okay.
Okay. This is just another class that we created.
Again, you can go further starting from line 30.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, then the last part. Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, you're most welcome. Okay, thank you so much for your time. So at least for those of you, okay, some were following me live on YouTube. That's fine. That's fine. So Andy, I don't know when next we can meet.
I think you let us know when.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. I'll end the class now. We keep in touch. I will be posting on the group so that people can be able to know when we can have class.
Sure, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.